How do I manually set up my Android phone to access the internet? APN MMS full internet settings in this video.
First, go phone settings, following step by step. SIM and network settings. Choose your SIM card for setting. Access point name.
Click plus add new APN. Name.
APN.
Username. Server. Authentication type. PAP or CHAP. APN type. APN protocol. IPv4, IPv6. APN roaming protocol. IPv4. Bearer all tick mark. NVNO. First nod. Now save. APN settings restart phone after check internet speed. If you like video, please subscribe channel next more videos.